The topic of today's lecture is especially relevant given the current global situation marked by significant economic, social, and political challenges. While the dominance of the US dollar remains a fact, there is an ongoing speculation about this status that it may be at risk. Geoeconomic fragmentation, technological innovations in payment systems, central bank digital currencies, sanctions on Russia through its central bank reserves, and rising fiscal and political vulnerabilities in the United States are some of the factors that could threaten the dollar's global standing.
Silvana Tenreyro has been a professor at the London School of Economics. Her research spans many areas of macro, trade, development. A clear feature of her research is the excellent mix between policy relevance, solid theoretical background, and also a careful analysis of the empirical evidence.
Today I will talk about dollar dominance and the effectiveness of monetary policy. Here, the question we're tackling is a very specific one. Can monetary policy help stabilize the economy in a world of dollar dominance? That is, in a world in which the US dollar is the main currency of invoice in international trade transactions. The US dollar is the main currency of invoicing in international trade transactions. Even though trade with the United States is less than 10% of global trade, more than 50% of international trade transactions are invoiced in US dollars. This dollar dominance has been shifting policy views significantly. The key inference that has been drawn from the use of the dollar is that it makes the prices of exports and the demand for exports less responsive to exchange rates. And as such, this reduces the value of exchange rates as automatic stabilizers. And this limits the benefits from having an independent monetary policy. What we learn from the evidence is that the more competitive the market, the more likely it is that producers will use the dollar or some other vehicle currency in pricing. This small change in assumptions here can have consequential implications for the role of monetary policy and its effectiveness, and what we are telling countries to do with their policies and instruments.